Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to enable crypto on Webull. First, ensure your main Webull brokerage account is fully approved and verified. Then, download the separate Webull Pay application, which is specifically designed for cryptocurrency trading. You will need to apply for crypto trading permission directly within this new Webull Pay app to get started. This process ensures you have a dedicated platform for your digital assets. Once you have the Webull Pay app, log in using your established Webull brokerage account username and password. Next, you will be prompted to complete a short questionnaire to confirm your eligibility for crypto trading. After this, link your personal bank account directly to Webull Pay. Remember, funds cannot be transferred directly from your main Webull brokerage account to Webull Pay. With your Webull Pay account set up, you can now deposit funds directly into it. You can begin trading with a minimum investment of just $1, making it accessible for many. Webull Pay offers access to over 40 different cryptocurrencies, including popular options like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Enjoy commission-free trading with a transparent 1% spread on transactions. It is important to understand that your crypto assets on Webull Pay are held by a third-party custodian, backed. Also, you cannot transfer cryptocurrencies to external wallets. All holdings remain within the platform. The approval process for crypto trading usually takes between 1 and 3 business days. Webull Pay provides a secure, dedicated environment for managing your digital asset investments.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.